Hi everyone, I want to do a quick project share with you. So my guest room is nautical themed, as I've told you before, and I've put things in there from people that have given me nautical like decor. And so my bedding in there is not nautical, it's something else, but I need to change it. And so the throw pillows that I have in there do not work out with the motif. So you can't really see it, but I made a pillow. And I made a pillow from Walmart napkins. These were 88 cents a piece. I got four. And it's really, really long. I'll try to show you the actual size of it in a few seconds. But this right here, this is not Brandy's doing. This is the brand. These don't line up properly. So as you can see, like right here, I tried to leave a little white out, but they don't line up properly. So what I did with the next one I'm about to show you is I just tried to go all the way into the image, and I think that would have probably been better if I had did that on there so you can see it. And it was really fun to do. I had some stuffing from Hancock Fabric, and you know Hancock Fabric is closed, but I only had one bag. So this is the second one I've done, and it's a little bit less, but it's okay. It's just decor, for decoration, so no one should really be sleeping on these things, which I think I would be kind of crazy if they did. But see, all of this, you can't see any white, even though it is some white on the edge of the towels. And I think I did pretty decent. This is my maybe my third or fourth time making pillows, not in this style. Last year I tried to make some pillowcases. Those things did not come out right. Let me just tell you that. And then I'll show you how they look. So this is how it looks front and back. But it's a throw, so you know it shouldn't really be slept on. And then this one is my favorite probably. And this, I think because I like it's white with the flowers and then the starfish, the fish and the starfish. I like that one probably a little bit more than the seahorse and the shells, but I like both of them. That's why I grabbed the pattern. And when I throw them on the bed, you know, that's just what they are, for decoration. So this is what I currently have, but this pattern this used to be my stepfather's room when he lived with me, but I'm changing it to making it mostly sea themed. So this is going away, and I guess I could use the cushioning out of here to make more pillows. You know, everything is always a work in progress when you're doing things yourself. So I hope that you all liked it. Let me know if you've done anything like this in the comment section below. You know, if you like the patterns that they have at Walmart, they're a lot cheaper than a Dollar Tree. You know, 88 cents is a lot cheaper than $1. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.